So guys, you want to head over to search and then type in display settings. Click on it. So first you want to click on identify. Now once you're on here, it's going to show all your monitors that you have. So for me, I've got 3 monitors, and in real life, I've got my first monitor in the middle, and then I've got my second one to the left of it, just below it in real life. So you want to make sure that the order of your monitors on the picture is the same as it is in real life. So since my first monitor in real life is in the middle and it's up here, my second monitor is down here. So I moved it down. And my third monitor is actually up here. So I've moved it up here. And then click on apply. And then this should fix your problem. If your other display is not showing up, you want to click on detect. You also want to click on Windows P on your keyboard and then make sure that you're on extend. Now for the third method, you want to scroll down. You want to make sure that your scale and your display resolution are both on the recommended option. Then you want to scroll back up again and do the same thing for your other monitors. Scroll down, make sure that your scale and display resolution are both also on the recommended option. And now you want to restart your computer and then the problem should be fixed.